Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to register on Fiverr as a freelancer. This is your first step toward building a freelance career on one of the world's largest platforms for digital services. So let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main interface where buyers and sellers connect. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll be managing your freelance business. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Join. Click on it to begin the registration process. This is the gateway to creating your freelancer account and accessing all the tools Fiverr offers for building your profile and selling your services. After clicking Join, you'll be presented with several sign-up options. Fiverr gives you the flexibility to continue with Google, with email, Apple, or Facebook. Select whichever option works best for you. If you choose Google or Facebook, the process will pull some of your basic information automatically, making setup faster. If you prefer to keep things separate, go with the email option instead. Once you've selected your preferred sign-up method, you'll be prompted to enter a username. This is important because your username will become part of your Fiverr profile URL, so choose something professional that represents you or your brand. After entering your username, click Create My Account to proceed. The system will process your information and set up the foundation of your account. Next, Fiverr will ask you to specify your role on the platform. Since you're here to offer services, click I'm a freelancer, then click Next. This step ensures that Fiverr customizes your experience and dashboard to match your goals as a seller rather than a buyer. Finally, you'll need to complete all the required information. This typically includes details like your name, location, and possibly some initial questions about your skills or services. Fill everything out carefully, as this information helps Fiverr recommend relevant opportunities and builds the foundation of your professional profile. And that's it. You've successfully registered on Fiverr as a freelancer, and you're ready to start building your profile and offering your services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.